Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone battery draining issue on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device with iOS 18 and you are facing a problem that your iPhone is battery draining fast, so guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and after that tap on battery, and you have to make sure that the which app is consuming most battery. So guys, after that you have to just simply go back and then tap on journal, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again tap on journal. From here tap on background app refresh, and after that you have to just turn off background app refresh from here. Now after that go back and again tap on battery, and then tap on low power mode and turn it on. Now after that guys, scroll down and locate for the location services. Now from here guys, simply turn off location services from here, and after that guys, you have to just simply check that your problem is fixed or not. If you are still facing the problem, then I will suggest you to reset all settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings again and then tap on journal. From here guys, scroll to below and here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap here reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.